For some of you, don't actually know that Nambo, a movie director, ANMT director, Association of Nigeria Movie Directors. As you already know my name, Ogbuefi Ezeana, Ugochitubelu na Oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochitubelu Ọdịnala Temple. Bụrụkwa onye isi nchụaja na Ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. Ugochitubelu Ọdịnala Temple, anyị nwere ngalaba na-afụ gbasara ime ihe ejije. Mana ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ amụrụ so many things na ihe etu anyị si kwado gbasara transform Igbo spirituality. Based on my research, achọpụtara m na enwere ọtụtụ ihe Nollywood, ihe ejije emere n'oge tegoro aka dị iche iche. Site n'ụzọ dị etu a, wee place Igbo spirituality in a bad light by some of the movie directors and the script writers. Mana, what prompted me is the love I have for ihe gbasara ihe ejije, because I know the impact in the society at large. So that is exactly what prompted me to go into movie and movie production, of course, movie directing. Now, to correct some certain negative impression created against Igbo spirituality. Yes, we made it categorically clear that Igbo spirituality does not condone evil or ritualist hiding under the umbrella of Igbo spirituality, or make money quick, or rituals, or get rich quick, or those things you'll be seeing on social media, Nollywood, making some certain things so easy, portraying Igbo spirituality as Ogwego. Actually, in the right sense, in the reality of Orokoswed. So that's why we created Ugochitubelu Movie Productions. Under Ugochitubelu Movie Production, we produce quality films to buttress the point, the real fact of the right standing. So, makana onye fụrụ ebe a na-eke ngwu gara ikwu ọ na-eke nketi. So, ọ bụrụ na Ugochitubelu Movie Production, you watch our movies, if our storylines are superb, and our storylines, we like to make it the way it is, the originality of the story. So anywhere you see Ugochitubelu Movie Productions or Ishoku TV, because you can actually go to Facebook. I will present in Facebook, YouTube, Ishoku Great Movies. Go there, watch our movies and the other quality movies too. So what am I saying? Join us anywhere you see Ugochitubelu Movie Productions for quality films. Then know it today. Some of you are my fans, following me all over the world, but you don't know that I'm a movie director. I want to use this opportunity to thank our fans and followers all over the world, and our production members, our crew members, and the rest of them. You guys are doing a great job. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate you all. And now, if you are into movie production, you want to join our production, feel free to contact us. And in Eze-Ana TV, we show our productions and the other productions from good people, good directors, and good producers as well, to correct the negative impression created so far in Nollywood. I can tell you, keep supporting Nollywood in any way you can. Our best is yet to come, and I can tell you that Nollywood have really done a good job in regard to Nigeria image, Nollywood wise, because it's one of the avenue where we earn foreign money, currencies to this economy. So I believe that the government will do what is needful to support productions, quality productions, to protest our point and to propagate our culture and tradition. Yes, I expect our governors to look into Nollywood and see how they can partner with directors to to bring out the best. I love you all. Mama Ajuji well. Near Basalo movie productions, or you are interested, or you produce film too, we can help you to propagate it and show it on the Ezeoku TV and on our platforms. Feel free to chat me on 0805 672. Remember, I'm Ogbuefi Ezeana, Ugochitubelu Oraifite, ANMD Director. Thank you.